Hi guys. So as you can see, because I ran up some vinegar, so I'll just put some sugar here. Now, itong garapo na to, ito yung pinaglagyan ko ng, pag bumili ka ng kape, di ba ganito ang lalagyan. When you buy a coffee, this is the one. This is the jug from the coffee. So, I did not throw away. I keep it because I know I can use something. So, see, that's a chili there. And I put some vinegar in it. Sugar. Now, if you want some a little bit extra, like a bit of boop, bit of yes, you can add salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, you can put in it. You can add it, you just put it there. Especially the people that really like chili. And it's a really good taste. And it's dry onion, crushed onion. So this is they have a bit of flavor. Now, dry garlic. Right. Oh, I think I put a bit of it too much. No, I know. Now, so we're gonna put some vinegar. We're gonna put some vinegars, guys. I love this one. My kids love this one. My friends, and my family love this one. Every time they come in here, in my house, oh, sister, brother, can I have that one? So, I put some vinegar in it. And then, that's enough, ready to eat. And next couple of days, or even tomorrow, it's ready. So, you see, like I said before, can you see the sugar? Sugar stay there. As long as I got some vinegar, the sugar stay there. Stay there for about maybe two weeks or a month. Sugar like that. It doesn't melt. Because you know why? Because with the vinegar. You know what? The vinegar first of the sugar, it doesn't melt for a long time unless you will stir it. So I'll just take care of all this. Okay, so that's, you can just put it in the fridge and ready to, you can use this one for cooking, or you can use this one for just eating. It tastes like a lawless. And then this one, there's another one. This is the plain one. Just the sugar and the chili and vinegar. Of course, this is the different one. It's a plain one. I will put just the salt in vinegar, and so I just gonna I already put sugar there. Now gonna put some salt. Here's the salt. This is a different taste. It's just the plain. And then of course the white vinegar. Oh. Yes. See? Yung sugar nandyan lang, hindi natutunaw. 'Di ba pag nagkape kayo, when you make a coffee, the sugar will melt. This one no, because it's a vinegar. See, it's still there, the sugar. So this is the plain one. Only vinegar, salt, and sugar. So I hope you learned something, guys. And please share this video and follow, subscribe my YouTube channel, and also my reels. Only sometime I upload the reels, but not much. But every day I upload in my reel. So anyhow, guys, sana meron kayong natutunan. I hope you learned something. That this is the one that got garlic and onion and pepper and salt, and this one just salt and sugar, of course vinegar and chili. Thank you for watching, guys.